Every day, you are given 24 hours, no more, no less. It's the only resource in which you are an absolute equal to a billionaire. The first 8 hours you sell to survive. You trade your time for money. And the last 8 hours, you just kill them, waiting for a new day to sell the first date all over again. But it's within these last 8 hours that the code separating poverty from wealth is hidden. You spend 8 hours on sleep and 8 on work, but it's the third 8 hours that are your freedom, your future, your empire in the making. Right now, the poor spend this time consuming. The rich spend it creating. The question isn't if you're tired. The question is what your fatigue is worth. The reboot starts with one simple action: replace consumption with investment. An investment of 1 hour a day in financial literacy. An investment of 1 hour in a new marketable skill. An investment of 1 hour in building your own, even tiny, asset. It won't be easy. Your friends will call you out, your brain will demand rest. But you must remember, you are not resting, you are building. And one day, your investments will start paying dividends. First, it will be pennies, then a stream, and then that stream will turn into a river that can wash away your need to go to work. You stop being a slave to your salary. You become the master of your time. Your last 8 hours start feeding your first 8. This is the 888 code, turning free time into financial freedom. Your time is a raw material. You can let it slip through your fingers, or you can turn it into gold every single day. This story isn't just about him. It's about you. This isn't just a video. It's an invitation to a movement. This is the result of hundreds of hours invested in himself. Join the movement. Write "My 8 hours" in the comments, subscribe, and start building today.